Sometimes things sound better out loud than they do written down. So I've teamed up with Audible to perform an experiment on the power of the voice. Now, what would happen if we took some mundane tweets and then brought them to life with a little added performance? Enter classically trained actor Jonathan Pryce.
Does anyone think global warming is a good thing? I love Lady Gaga. I think she's a really interesting artist. Pathetic. I hate soup. Hi, Rio. Do you want picking up in the morning? Pal. 999 people like my fan page. Can anyone push it over the 1,000 mark by suggesting to your friends? I just read another story about me being locked in the attic. It's completely false. I love napping. I blocked someone's dad. Who was it? Last day of being topless, before weather changes. Lol. Hey friends, I lost my BlackBerry. So if you're trying to reach me, then text me on one of my 3 iPhones. How can mirrors be real if our eyes aren't real? Poe. 3 things. I don't smoke grass. I'm not getting married. Yet. And I don't want to kill Rafael Nadal.